Welcome to today's video where we delve into the secrets of becoming a successful person. Success means different things to different people, but regardless of your definition, the principles to achieve it are largely universal. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, professional achievements, or a fulfilling life, there are key strategies that can set you on the path to success. Let's explore these strategies in detail. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. It involves continuous growth and self-improvement. The first step on this journey is setting clear and achievable goals. Without goals, you lack direction. Goals give you a roadmap and a sense of purpose. Start by defining what success means to you. Is it a high-powered career, a fulfilling personal life, or something else? Write down your goals and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Next, focus on developing a strong work ethic. Hard work is often cited as one of the cornerstones of success. This doesn't just mean working long hours, it means working smart and being dedicated. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and impact. Learn to manage your time efficiently and avoid procrastination. This is where creating a daily schedule can be immensely helpful. Stick to it and make adjustments as needed. Your dedication and persistence will eventually pay off. One of the most important aspects of achieving success is embracing a growth mindset. This involves believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, learning, and perseverance. Instead of seeing failures as setbacks, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Analyze what went wrong, make the necessary adjustments, and try again. Networking is another crucial element of success. Building strong relationships with others in your field can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable support. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with others on social media. Don't be afraid to reach out to mentors or people you admire. Networking is not just about what others can do for you, but also about what you can contribute to the community. Offer help, share your knowledge, and build genuine relationships. Another key to success is continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and knowledge is vital. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, and seek out new experiences. This not only keeps you informed but also enhances your skills and adaptability. Be curious and proactive in your learning journey. The more you know, the more valuable you become. In addition to these strategies, maintaining a positive attitude is essential. Your mindset can greatly influence your success. Positivity helps you navigate challenges with resilience and optimism. Surround yourself with supportive and inspiring people who encourage you to stay focused on your goals. Cultivate gratitude and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This helps maintain motivation and keeps you moving forward. Financial management also plays a significant role in achieving success. Having a solid understanding of how to manage your finances can help you avoid unnecessary stress and focus on your goals. Create a budget, track your expenses, and save regularly. Invest in yourself by acquiring skills and education that enhance your career prospects. Financial stability provides a strong foundation for pursuing your ambitions. Another important factor is balance. Striving for success doesn't mean neglecting other aspects of your life. It's essential to maintain a balance between work, relationships, and personal well-being. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough rest. A well-balanced life contributes to overall happiness and success. Mentorship can also be a game changer in your journey to success. Having a mentor who has walked the path you're on can provide valuable guidance and insight. They can offer advice, share experiences, and help you navigate challenges. Seek out mentors who inspire you and align with your goals. Be open to their feedback and use it to improve and grow. Developing strong communication skills is another crucial aspect of success. Effective communication can help you build relationships, lead teams, and present your ideas clearly. Work on both verbal and written communication skills. Practice active listening and be mindful of how you express yourself. Clear and concise communication can significantly enhance your effectiveness and impact. Staying organized is also key to achieving success. Keeping track of your tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities can prevent overwhelm and ensure that you stay on top of your goals. Use tools like to-do lists, planners, or digital apps to manage your tasks efficiently. An organized approach helps you maintain focus and productivity. Embracing adaptability is crucial in today's fast-paced world. Being open to change and willing to adjust your plans can help you navigate unexpected challenges and seize new opportunities. Flexibility allows you to respond effectively to changes in your environment and stay on course towards your goals. Another important aspect is self-discipline. The ability to stay focused and resist distractions is essential for achieving success. Develop habits that support your goals and stick to them consistently. Whether it's a daily routine, a study schedule, or a work regimen, self-discipline helps you stay on track and make steady progress. Moreover, resilience plays a significant role in overcoming obstacles and setbacks. Life is full of challenges, and your ability to bounce back from difficulties can determine your success. Cultivate resilience by maintaining a positive outlook, developing coping strategies, and seeking support when needed. Remember, perseverance in the face of adversity often leads to growth and achievement. Taking calculated risks can also be a key factor in achieving success. Stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing opportunities that involve some level of risk can lead to significant rewards. Assess potential risks and benefits, and make informed decisions. Taking risks can open new avenues for growth and help you reach your goals faster. Another important element is setting boundaries. Knowing when to say no and managing your time effectively helps prevent burnout and ensures that you focus on what truly matters. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life, and don't be afraid to prioritize your well-being. Developing emotional intelligence is also vital for success. Understanding and managing your emotions, as well as empathizing with others, can improve your relationships and enhance your leadership abilities. Work on building self-awareness, practicing empathy, and improving your interpersonal skills. Emotional intelligence contributes to better communication, conflict resolution, and overall success. Building a strong personal brand can also contribute to your success. Your personal brand is how you present yourself to the world, including your skills, values, and reputation. Develop a clear and authentic personal brand that reflects who you are and what you stand for. Consistently communicate your brand through your actions, online presence, and interactions with others. Finally, maintain a sense of purpose and passion. Success is more fulfilling when it aligns with your core values and passions. Pursue goals that resonate with you personally and bring you joy. When you're passionate about what you do, it's easier to stay motivated and committed, even in the face of challenges. In summary, becoming a successful person involves setting clear goals, working hard, embracing a growth mindset, building relationships, continuously learning, maintaining a positive attitude, managing finances, finding balance, seeking mentorship, developing communication skills, staying organized, being adaptable, practicing self-discipline, cultivating resilience, taking calculated risks, setting boundaries, developing emotional intelligence, building a personal brand, and maintaining passion and purpose. Success is a journey filled with opportunities for growth and learning. By applying these principles and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate your path to success with confidence and determination. Remember, success is not just about reaching the destination but also about the experiences and growth along the way. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of success. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. And if you have any thoughts or additional tips on achieving success, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.